Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our daily phrase series. Today's phrase is hit the hay. Let's find out what it means. Meaning of the phrase: hit the hay is a colloquial way to say you're going to bed or going to sleep. Add a brief history or origin if known. For instance, this phrase dates back to when mattresses were often filled with hay. Pronunciation guide: hit the hay. Hit the hay. Hit the hay. Use in a sentence. For instance, I have an early meeting tomorrow, so I need to hit the hay early tonight. I'm going to hit the hay early tonight. I have a big day tomorrow. It's getting late, and we have an early hike tomorrow. Let's hit the hay. Can you make a sentence with hit the hay? Try it out. Share your sentences in the comments below, and let's learn together. Great job today. Tune in tomorrow for another useful phrase. Keep practicing.